Glades here, and you're watching another one of my Emerald Jam videos. Let's get into it. Today we're gonna be rating dens. I'm excited for this. Okay, we're starting off with number 1, the Princess Castle. No, I think the grass is just like a little too light. I like this, bush right here. I don't know. The flooring is horrible. I hate it. What the heck? This part is weird. The staircase is kind of cool, but how am I supposed to decorate this room? It's really small. Yeah. Like, I think this den needs a lot of work with the flooring. It's really weird. Its shape is weird. I don't like it. I'm rating it a C. Like, a C. Okay. Next one is the Enchanted Hollow. I really like the color of the grass. The outdoor is really naturey. Is that a word? But on the inside, this flooring is kind of weird. The rooms are really small. It's cute. I like this hallway with the crystals. The crystals glow. But I hate these little bookshelves. I just don't like them. Okay, everyone hates them. But overall, I'm gonna rate it an A-. Next one is the castle. Let's start with the outdoor exterior. This pathway is like yellow, and the water right here looks kind of moldy, to be honest. I like the stone walls. It's like a rustic Roman castle used for war. I don't know. This hallway is really hard to just decorate, and it's really small. And overall, I like it, but this sucks. This ladder is horribly placed here, and oh my gosh, this is the worst part of a den. How am I supposed to decorate this? How? It's shaped awful. Stop shaping things like this. Why? This is so small. What the heck? I'm rating this a B-. Okay, this then gets a B+. Okay, moving on. Number 3 is the gingerbread house. Then, first of all, how am I supposed to warm up my little cold paws? My paws are gonna get cold. But I like this. Actually, I don't like this little thing right here, platform. I guess that's what it's called. Okay. And rest in peace, these gum bears that were used for the gingerbread house. And this house makes me really hungry. So, but they used the entire den out of candy. It's weird. But I like the, hot chocolate tub pool thing. the walls are, I don't like the walls very much, but, I mean, this would rot, probably, and that's just in my opinion, but I'm gonna rate this a B minus, okay? It gets a B minus, okay? Next one is Liza's Den. Okay, like, I mean, I really like the stone. I like the wood inside the house. Whoa. But yeah, the grass is kind of too dark. Yeah, overall, this part of the den is really hard to decorate. You can't fit an item right there, but first of all, the shape of this roof is horrible. I think they messed up on that. I like this porch outside of the den. I like these little light things right there. I like them. Moving on to exterior, the flowers, I don't really like these flowers right there. This is a cool waterfall right there. I think the outdoor is really cool. Like, the mountains in the background is a really huge detail for the den. I like this gazebo right here. But yeah, that's pretty much all for the den. I mean, I'm gonna rate it an A minus. A minus, okay? Okay, for the next den, I'm doing Regal Winter Palace. I am rating this in C. Actually, give it a C plus. Yeah, this den is kind of, it's weird, okay? The rooms are shaped horribly. But I like the golden trim, it's really cool. It's cool. But the stairs they're bad. It's like, I don't know, but I like this den a lot, but it's shaped bad. I'm gonna rate this in C. C minus. The next one is the Crystal Palace. This is my favorite den of all. I love the floor. I love everything about this den. But this room is bad. How do I decorate this room? How? Tell me how. I don't like the shape of the walls. It's shaped awkwardly, and it's very hard to decorate. I like this part of the den. I like the twisted stairs. I don't know. I like these stairs. I like this little crystal thing right there. Yeah. I like that little bush there. It's cute. But the exterior is I like the exterior because the grass is the perfect color, and the stone pathway matches with the inside of the den. This is my favorite part of the den, and yeah, I'm gonna rate this an A+. This den gets an A+. Get me started on this den. It's horrible. I don't like it. It's so huge. The grass is the worst color ever, and speaking of, it's in the clouds. No, this den is awful. The castle is shaped awful. It's awful. Like, why can't it be nice for once? The sky is way too dark. I'm gonna rate this in D. Look at this color of the grass. It's so light and gross. I can't work with this. Oh, moving on. Horrible. Really, hideout is a nice den, but I mean, it's by lava. It's dangerous. You know what? Skip it. I'm just gonna rate it a C. The Friendship Cottage is my favorite den of all. I like the wood. I love the wood. It's so heartwarming. I like the wallpaper. It's great for Valentine's Day. You could even change it up. I like the heart window, and yeah, I'm gonna rate it in A+. I like the heart-shaped pond. Yeah, that's a big detail. It gets an A+. Good job. Good job. Good job. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment what your favorite den is, and make sure to go enter my giveaway. Link in the description. And don't forget to stay, I don't know. Anyways, bye. Subscribe, please.